So in this video we are going to see the parts of transformer, but I will give you a short review of past two videos. We will see what is transformer, definition of transformer, why we are using transformer, and many types of transformer, barrier type, shell type, HV type, LV type, step up transformer, step down transformer, isolation, instrumentation, auto transformer, two types of transformer, and dry type transformer, oil immersed type transformer, single phase, three phase, and we see all these type of transformer, that how it work and for which purpose these transformer are used. In today's video we are going to see that how a part of transformer help in transformer total construction. So first of all, core. If you look at here, the first main part of transformer is core. And what is core? This is the core of transformer, on which winding are take place, in which we are doing the winding. These are the core of transformer, these three. So this is three-phase transformer. This is the core of transformer. The next one is winding. These are the winding of transformer. These are the three winding of transformer. This is three-phase transformer. So these are the winding of transformer. The next one is winding insulation, that how the winding are insulated from each other. So basically here the winding are insulated from each other with the help of winding paper, or with the help of oil, or with the help of air. But in this transformer these are insulated from each other. Each phase winding are insulated from each other with the help of oil, and one turn are insulated from each other with the help of insulated paper. And the next one is type of insulation. There are many types of insulation. Here these transformer contain paper, insulated paper, which insulated the number of turns from each other, and the oil for the purpose of insulation, and for the purpose of cooling method. Transformer oil we will discuss later in detailed discussion, that which type of oil in use in transformer. So here we will use insulation paper. Insulation paper are used in the winding, that insulated the number of coils from each other. Basically, if we turn the coil and they are overlapping with each other, so insulated paper insulate them from each other. The next one is main tank. Main tank, the which tank? Oil tank. Oil tank. This is the main tank in which the winding are immersed, or in which the winding are totally placed. So this is the total main tank of this transformer, oil main tank. Okay. The next one is conservative tank. This is conservative tank in which the extra oil is placed for the basis of that if transformer oil is level is down, so conservator tank will provide the extra oil, so the level may be maintained. Because due to temperature in winter the oil are compressed, so the level is become down, and in summer the level of the oils are expand, so in summer the level of oils become increased. So we manually we fill the conservative tank half, because if the temperature of the oil rise, so the conservative tank are automatically filled, and in winter the level are down. So conservative tank is responsible for maintaining the level of oil. The next one is oil level indicator. In transformer it is oil level indicator. Oil level indicator. This is oil level indicator, and this one is oil level indicator. which indicate the level of oil in conservative tank. If you look at here, this is the oil level indicator. This is the oil level indicator. This total is main tank, and this is conservative tank. The next one is OLTC and NLTC. OLTC mean on load temp tape changer, and NLTC mean no load temp tape changer. So this transformer is basically no load temp changer because it is not automated. So this is tape changer but manually operated. This is, if we operate this steering, so the tape of the transformer change. This is on load and no load tape changer. The next one is HV and MV bushing. So this is the high side terminal of the transformer, and these all have bushing. This is bushing of the transformer. This is the bushing of transformer. This is the LT bushing, and these side have HT bushing. The next one is radiator and fin tubular pipe. These are the tubular pipes. These are the tubular pipes in the transformer for the circle for the purpose of oscillation of oil. These all are used for the purpose of oscillation of oil. The next one is buckle relay. Buckle relay. This is the buckle relay which contain silica gel. Silica gel is the material which change in color when it is, when air is exerted in it, or humidity is it exerted in it. It change its silica gel change its color when humidity is exerted in it, and its work as a breather for transformer which filter the air from any other particle that can be cause of isolation. So this is buckle relay. This is a buckle relay which measure the pressure, and this is the breather. Buckle relay measure basically the pressure of oil. If the oil pressure change, then buckle relay will operate and trap the whole transformer. The next one is OSR, oil surge relay. Oil surge relay take place when here is the oil pressure relay. It is pressure release device, not oil surge relay. Oil surge relay, in this transformer there is no oil surge relay. So oil surge relay is basically used for the oil pressure measurement, that how the pressure and the temperature of oil are operated. The next one is PRV, pressure relief valve. Pressure relief valve, here is the pressure relief valve. Pressure release, this is pressure release device and pressure relief valve, from which the pressure inside the transformer is exerted from the from transformer pressure exerted through pressure relief valve. And the next one is breather. This is the breather of transformer. This one is breather of transformer. The next one is cooling fan. Transformer may contain cooling fan for the purpose of cooling, but in this transformer we do not have any cooling fan. The next one is OTI and VTI, oil temperature indicator and winding temperature indicator. If you look at here, this is temperature gauge, mean oil temperature, it is oil temperature indicator. And we also have some sensor with winding which give us the value of temperature winding temperature, which give us the value of winding temperature. So this is the winding temperature what we are left explosion valve, to which we give the air and take place which help in air for air purpose. The next one is oil inlet drain. Through this we take out oil from the transformer. So this is a basic practical transformer. This is the cooling fan. This is the cooling fan and transformer. This is the box of operation of transformer machine mechanical mechanism box. The cooling fan. This is the wheel of transformer. Top sampling valve. If we are this is the breather of transformer. This is the oil valve of, and this is the oil surge relay which maintain the temperature and pressure of oil. This is WTI, oil temperature indicator, and winding temperature indicator. These are the oil temperature indicator, radiator bank, air release cap, and this is the oil temperature indicator and winding temperature indicator. So in next video we will see inshallah further about the transformer. This is the practical transformer. This is the L LV side bushing. This is the LV side bushing. This is the HT side bushing. This is the HT side bushing of transformer.